What if I told you that one of America's most iconic vans just got a luxury makeover so extreme, it can compete with high-end SUVs and private jets for comfort? Welcome back to Explore on Wheels, the ultimate destination for automotive enthusiasts who crave in-depth looks at the world's most impressive vehicles. Today, we're diving deep into a van that has been reimagined for the modern era, the 2026 GMC Savana Explorer. For decades, the Savana has been known as the backbone of America's commercial and family travel scene. But this time, GMC has gone far beyond just practicality. The 2026 Explorer Edition turns the classic Savana into a full-blown luxury cruiser, merging professional-grade strength with first-class comfort and cutting-edge technology. Whether you're using it for long cross-country adventures or as a luxury shuttle, the new Savana Explorer is here to set a new standard in versatility and design. Starting with the exterior design, the 2026 GMC Savana Explorer maintains the iconic boxy silhouette that defines its heritage, but with a refined modern twist. The front fascia has been completely redesigned with a bold chrome grille, sleeker LED matrix headlights, and integrated fog lamps that give it a commanding presence both day and night. The sculpted hood and aerodynamic contours improve fuel efficiency and reduce wind noise, while the body's clean, sculpted lines and polished accents create a sophisticated visual statement. GMC's designers have balanced form and function. It's still rugged enough for heavy-duty work, yet sleek enough to turn heads in a luxury setting. The available high roof option, custom 20-inch alloy wheels, and premium color palette, including midnight black, glacier silver, and summit white, make the van feel both modern and timeless. Inside, the 2026 Savana Explorer transforms expectations. GMC has created an interior environment that blends business class comfort with home-like luxury. The first thing you'll notice is the space. There's ample room for passengers, luggage, and even mobile work setups. Every seat is wrapped in top-grain leather with power adjustment, ventilation, and memory settings. The dashboard now features a fully digital 14.5-inch curved display integrated with a heads-up projection system, giving the driver clear visibility of navigation, performance data, and safety alerts. In the rear, passengers enjoy reclinable captain chairs with massage functions, USB-C charging ports, and fold-out tray tables. Ambient LED lighting, soft-touch surfaces, and genuine wood trim add a sense of elegance rarely seen in full-size vans. It's a rolling luxury lounge designed to make even the longest journeys feel effortless. And if you think the interior already feels like a private jet on wheels, wait until you hear the kind of power this luxury van is packing under the hood. Under the hood, the 2026 GMC Savana Explorer offers serious power and versatility. The standard 6.6-liter V8 gasoline engine delivers an impressive 401 horsepower and 464 pounds-ft of torque, mated to GMC's 10-speed automatic transmission for smoother shifting and greater fuel efficiency. For those prioritizing torque and towing capability, there's also a 3.0-liter Duramax inline-6 turbo diesel option, producing 277 horsepower and 460 pounds-ft of torque. Both engines can be paired with either rear-wheel or all-wheel drive, allowing this van to tackle diverse conditions from city highways to remote mountain passes. With a towing capacity of up to 9,500 pounds, the Savana Explorer is equally capable of hauling gear or pulling a trailer. The revised suspension setup ensures better ride comfort and improved handling, turning what was once a commercial workhorse into a refined highway cruiser. When it comes to technology, the Savana Explorer is loaded with GMC's latest innovation suite. The infotainment system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, while onboard Wi-Fi keeps everyone connected on the road. GMC has also introduced an intelligent cabin management system that allows passengers to control lighting, temperature, and seat configurations through a touchscreen or voice assistant. Safety is another cornerstone of the 2026 Savana Explorer. GMC's engineers have reinforced the chassis with high-strength steel and integrated crumple zones for better impact absorption. The van is equipped with 10 airbags, traction control, electronic stability management, and a driver attention monitor that detects fatigue. From its roots as a commercial van to its future as a luxury travel machine, the 2026 GMC Savana Explorer sets a new benchmark. Whether you're driving cross-country, hosting clients in mobile luxury, or exploring the open road in style, this van has you covered. Thanks for watching Explore on Wheels. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts. Would you pick the Savana Explorer over a luxury SUV? Until next time, keep your wheels turning and your adventures alive.